Focus.
What is up, guys? My name is Ali. I've got Julian with me, which is also my marketing coach. We're out here in Dubai. Thank you for being here. And today we're gonna talk about his story. But shortly said, he made €500,000, not dollars, euros, in under 3 months, yearly revenue, and he's just at the start. And it's, yeah, I mean, I'll just leave it there, and let's start the video, right?
Yes, I would say so. But not only me, I have a business partner. He will pop up also on this channel.
Right, it's probably going to be tomorrow's video.
Yes, me and my business partner, actually we made €500,000, not dollars, euros, that's a little bit more. And yeah, in 3 months we have a business partnership with a big influence in the German trading niche. That's our partner. And yes, shall I start with my story, or
of course you can.
What would you say? My journey started with bodybuilding. I think I was 13 years old. I trained at home. I don't had so much knowledge about training. I just trained the biceps. And yes, that was my start. In this time, every weekend I was going to party, and yeah, I think everyone started there with partying, but I realized that it is bullshit, because I wanted to press more on the bench, because chest is my problem in bodybuilding, but that don't matter. And then I realized, okay, if you want real success with your body, then you can't go anymore to this fucking stupid partying at the weekend. And yeah, then I separate the first time myself from I would say the losers. Yes, and that is the most important part I learned. And then my results, my gains, my muscle gains growed up. I was at...
You know what's funny? We actually have a club as a client.
Actually, yes.
Just put it out there.
Yes, you can decide how you live your life, but I'm the hustle man. Yes, and then I made a lot of gains, and then I saw a YouTube star, a fitness YouTube star, and he drove a Ferrari. He bought his first Ferrari, and I thought, fuck, I wanted to. I just want to do bodybuilding. I want to do business also, but my surrounding, my environment was not good. My parents are employees. They have fear of making something on their own, to do business. Yeah, they're very negative. And then I saw on the YouTube channel of this YouTube star with a Ferrari, I saw a network marketing called Vima. Maybe you know it. And yeah, I think I attracted. Half a year later, somebody wrote me on Facebook, and because of Vima, he wanted to close me, and I was straight in. He comes to me, and I had much fear, because my parents,
yeah,
they are the employees, and they
always
manipulated my mind.
Yeah.
But I just did it because I saw how these guys are talking, what their visions were, and I was so inspired, and I just did it.
Right.
And the first month I had so much fucking fear. You can't believe it. But then my personality developed so fast, and that was my goal.
I saw that they all read books.
I saw that they all read books, and
right.
I said, give me the book, I want to look into it. And I was fascinated, because there was the mindset stuff that I didn't have had at the time. And yeah, that was a problem, my surrounding. And I straight bought many books, because I had to change my mind, because mindset is everything, guys. thoughts become reality. That's a fact. Yeah, then it goes over 3 months. I was in the network marketing. Then it goes down, but it was the best time. It changed my life. I became the hustler. And after that, yeah, I woke up at 6 a.m. I thought my day was completely a disaster. 12 hours work, a special day in the supermarket. Supermarket work, yeah. That was crazy. But yeah, after this work day, I looked at my Digistore account. That's a German provider of digital marketing products. And yeah, there was a figure, 500 euros, I think, a day. After working 12 hours at the supermarket. That's the best feeling. That's the power of digital marketing. Just an affiliate link. Yeah, guys. So it works.
You have to start.
That's how we're making money. And after that, I saw a guy trading stocks, and I straight got into it. That was my next business, because after the network, I didn't know what to do now, and I just started. I just did it, and that was crazy. In this time, we had a WhatsApp group, yeah, with a lot of traders, with this big vision. We were very stupid, because we were was heißt aufspringen so auf diese Anzeigen, auf diese billigen dummen Anzeigen.
You would trust those cheap ads that would run all over. Scam ads, yeah.
We were really stupid. We trust these scam ads with forex trading, with signal trading, with I don't know, CFD trading, and guys, that's bullshit. Don't believe this shit. I'm working with a real trading coach. I know it, and yeah, but this time was crazy. We all believed in this big vision, and there I met my business partner, Elias, and. But there, at this time, we don't had that much contact. That comes later in my story. But yeah, we were working so hard, and yeah, every night we slept 4 hours. We slept polyphasic. At the end, for this bullshit, but that don't matter. It was work ethic and the change in the mind. Yeah, I got connected to my actual business partner, where me and my business partner Elias do the marketing for. Yeah, but then I end my trading career, because I realized that it was bullshit, and the vision was a lie with CFD, forex, etc. But then I started with marketing. Yeah. I started with like everyone, with things like affiliate marketing and these little things, and made my experience. I promoted digital products and this stuff, and there I learned many things, and yeah, then I got back to my actual partner, the trading coach, and said to him, hey, let's start a business. Your YouTube channel stagnate, and your sales stagnate, and I can do better marketing for you. I can 10x your revenues, your monthly revenues, and that's how it started. And yeah, actually, I already said that €500,000 in 3 months. We started in November 2017, and yes, we have big plans, and that's just the beginning.
So you basically got connected to your trading partner again. You basically started a business. You said that you're going to multiply his revenue. You're going to generate 10x more revenue.
Always go 10x.
Always go 10x. And he said yes, and so you started. And what happened from there on? And when was this, by the way?
Yes, we analyzed his sales funnel, and yeah, it was bullshit. He just dropped every new month a new product and sold it on YouTube, just like, hey, buy, I have a new product, buy this course here in the description. Hey, that's
It's not a real business.
That's the business before 5 years. That's outdated. That's amateur stuff.
So,
Sicher sein.
so can you give me a couple of numbers, like what's the ROI, the return on investment of actually working with your current trading client, your current partner that you're doing the marketing for?
Yes, for sure. I can give you some stats of our Facebook advertising investments, and our ROI, or return on investment, was 43.
43x, so not even 10x. 43x.
43x. That's yeah, we're thinking much bigger than Grant Cardone. You know how we what we are about. In one of our campaigns, we made out of 600 euros 27,000 euros. That's a return on investment of 43.
It's crazy.
43x. And yes, that are the stats. I think it is good, but that was only the beginning. Our vision is much bigger. The funnel is also in progress and it's not completed yet. And yes.
Numbers speak louder than words. I think that's a quote, right? Like,
yes, you have to let action speak, not talking.
Right.
I know so many people who are just talking.
Cut them
But
off.
yes, cut the losers off, and that's the thing I can give you with on your way, because the mind is everything. I know it. My environment was bullshit. I had this part of my story I had not tell already. My environment was so bad. Also, my parents was so negative. Actually, they support me very hard. That's the best feeling after the struggle. And yeah, the stress was so high that at some point I wanted to just leave my family, to go all in, to say fuck you, I will made it, all in. And yes, that's a private part of my story, but you have to go through it. And my friends, which are still broke, have made nothing, 0 euros. They just did it. Did it. My English is not so well.
Yeah.
Sorry for that, but
You get the point, guys.
when I'm private with Ali, then I said to him, let's just speak English, that I can improve myself.
Right.
I always want to improve myself. And
Right. So you like he's just starting with personal branding, right? And guys, as I said, as you can hear it as well, you know, numbers are there. So if you need absolutely any help about marketing, his Instagram and YouTube link are in the description, so you can just ask him anything you want. I think he'll be more on this channel, so he can improve his English as well.
yeah, it's
And
of course.
therefore, guys, maybe in the future he'll actually do coachings in English as well. You actually can do already, right?
Remember this video in 1 year, and we will see.
We'll see.
My vision for my YouTube channel is, first of all, I will take over the whole German marketplace in online marketing and in the hustle game, and then I go global, because global, there's so much money, man.
Yeah, it's so that's.
But it's not about the money. I'm not materialistic. But follow me on my YouTube, Julian Mitzlaff, Mitz. It's in the description.
It's in the description, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, man. This guy, I actually met him. I don't even know how did we meet. Like, we connected through
Law of attraction. Law of attraction.
Honestly,
thoughts.
law of fucking attraction. Like, honestly, it literally was. It was like simple explanation. If you vibrate on the same frequency as others, you'll just connect, and that's. I actually cut off every loser. Guys, we have to be honest. If you want to improve in life, you gotta cut the losers off. It's the truth. And I just did that, and then I was just sticking to the right information. I was actually doing the right things that get me forward, and then not doing the things that just don't get me forward, because it's counterproductive, right? Cut them all off, cut them all off, and other stuff will just replace them, better things will replace them. And I actually want to add something about, the whole family situation. My family's the same, there's not big differences in the mindset, really. To be honest, they've always supported me, whatever I was doing, but man, it's like right now they actually don't really support me that much, and at the same time it's indirectly it's stressful because they don't get it. They keep you in a box, they don't know like what we're actually doing with the whole internet stuff. It's new to them, right? So they don't really understand it. But I know there's a lot of you that will learn from him, from me, and from Elias, his business partner, in the video from tomorrow. And so just gotta keep in mind, it's all in here. And if you maintain it here, and if you actually do the stuff that you need to do, then you'll just get forward. Just don't bullshit yourself is the biggest lesson that I learned.
Yes, be real to yourself.
Yeah.
Yes.
Shut the haters off. Be real to yourself. And
one thing, me and my business partner Elias, actually we are building a team. If you want to learn marketing from expert, and if you want to work with real partners, with real businesses, and you
get out of that trying zone, but actually do something. Write him. Just write him.
Write me a DM.
If you're motivated, if you're trying to do something and you don't know what to do, this is a start. They didn't start differently. He started with affiliate marketing. So why shouldn't you take the action? The structure is there. He's willing to help. They're building an empire. So,
Yes, if you want to be a part of it, write me a DM, or how it is called.
Just connect. It's the internet. It's
yes.
Easy, man. All right.
Thank you, Ali.
No problem, man. Thank you. And hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you have absolutely any questions, ask him in the DMs, or just drop down a comment here. Like this video. I know this video has been 23 minutes long, so it's been an effort put in. It's actually the second time we shoot this. And yeah, subscribe to his channel and to my channel as well for great content. And we'll see you next time with much better English than now, right?
Yes.
Awesome.
Of course.
Awesome.
That's a
All
goal.
right.
And set in every area of your life goals. Goals are the key.
10x
Make a
goals.
plan and get into action.
Right.
Bye, guys.
See you.
See you on my channel.